This is Marcia from Marcia's Fab Life, and today I am doing a CHERRYZ haul. If you can like, comment and subscribe, I really appreciate it. So basically I'm doing a collab with CHERRYZ. Thank you for the stuff that I ordered from them, I really appreciate it. So I have a coupon code as well, which will flash up on the screen, but I also will put it in the description box as well, and you get 25% on your first order. Yeah, you heard me, 25%, and it's comes straight to your door when you order the stuff. But remember to use the code so you can get your discount. So I'm going to crack on with the video. So I got some stuff basically from CHERRYZ, and I picked up this crisp here, some Walker's crisp, and I thought it was good value for money, you know. And this here was 22 packets of crisps in here. You get 6 cheese and onion, and 6 ready salted, and 5 salt and vinegar, and 5 prawn cocktail, which is good value, you know. 22 packet of crisps, yeah, great value. So I picked those up. And oh yeah, I forgot to say that was £4. So yeah, £4. You know what I'm like? Yeah, so I picked up these munchies here. I ain't had these for the longest time. I thought I'd try these out. And this one here was £1 for the packet of munchies. You're munching on them later, yeah. Well, better keep them in the fridge because you know the time is hot right about now. And oh no. Let's start that one again. So I picked up this as well, and this one here was £1 for the loo block. So I thought this was a good buy. £1, you get a pack of 2. And I'll pick up some, yeah I know it's chocolate again, but you know, never mind. But anywho, so I picked up this Maltesers as well, and you get about 110 grams. And this one here was £1, which I thought was quite good for the box of Maltesers. And I also, oh god, let me pick it up, that was from me. But I picked up this juice here as well. I haven't tried the box drink before, but I thought I'd just pick it up and, you know, try it. And you know, it's 70p, so it's a good buy, you know, 70p for this, you know. And you get, it's 1 litre, and this is here is an orange juice as well. So yeah, so I don't know if anyone's tried this brand. If you have, let me know what this one tastes like as well, because I haven't tried it, but I'm gonna give it a go and see what it's like. And I picked up this one here as well, this other juice here. This one's a tropical one, and it's no added sugar. I remember if that one says, no, that one doesn't. But yeah, this one's no added sugar, and this one here is 70p as well. I picked up 2 of this one actually, but I put the other one in the fridge already, so there's no point me showing the same thing twice. But yes, you know, drinks have got to be nice and cold, especially for overnight. But yeah, I picked up 2 of these, and also, oh god, picked up this one here as well, and this is 70p as well. But yeah, just thought why not try it and see if it's nice. And this one's an apple juice as well, so I picked up 2 of this, but the other one's in the fridge as well. So yeah, just try that one and see if it's really nice, what it tastes like. But yeah, great stuff. And what else did I get? Oh yeah, I've got a good trusty beans as well, some Heinz baked beans. So I've got 2 of that, and this one each are £1.50, which is good, you know, because you know what beans is like. It's better when you cook it, you know, all at once and don't really leave it to side. It saves anyway. So I picked up 2, so yeah, come together as £3, but they're £1.50 each. Yeah, and you get about 200 200 grams each. Yeah, I think something like that. But yeah, so I picked up those again. Ooh. And I picked this pink. I thought I'd try this one. You know, this is like the cream one. So I thought, oh, let me try that one and see how this one is. So this one here is £1 as well. There's quite a few stuff on the pink stuff on CHERRYZ as well, actually. So it's not just this, they have other products as well to do the pink, which is really good. So yeah, like I said, this was £1. You can't go wrong with this kind of cream. This one is kind of probably like, you know, like Jif, but yeah, you know, if you remember the brand Jif, that they used to do the cream version, something like that. But I thought, let me try the pink one and see how this one is. So I picked up that one. And oh god, I picked up this here as well, and this is very non-bio cold wash, gentle, you know, on the clothes, because my skin is a bit sensitive. I can't really, you know, use that, you know, normal salt powder liquid, if you know what I mean. But this one is kind to my skin, so I like using non-bio, so I don't have no issues. So yeah, this one here was £7.50, and look at that, you get a pack of 2 in there. So that's what it says, 48 washes. So yeah, you get 24 in each bottle. Should have said that's 24 in each bottle, but it's 48. So yeah, 2 bottles of this, you know, is really good bargain. You know, how much did it work out to be? Well, anyway, you do the maths anyway, because actually I think it is £3.75. Yeah, I think it's £3.75 each. So it works out that, but it's £7.50 for the 2 packets. So yeah, I just thought I picked that up because I need that for sure. And I picked up these Kellogg's as well, you know, and this one here, how much is this? Yeah, it is 500 grams for this as well, and this one was £2.50. Don't worry about that price there, because it's not that on the app. Like I said, £2.50 for 500 grams is really a good buy. So I thought I picked this up. I had Kellogg's, these ones, for a very long time. So yeah, I picked up that. And I picked up this Domestos Zero Line Scale, and this here was like £1.50 for this, which I thought is a really good buy for that price. Yeah, so you know, can't go wrong with this, £1.50. So I picked up that, and I also picked up, yeah, I know I picked up softener before, but I started to run out already. And yeah, I got a comfort. So yeah, as you can see, a comfort, I picked that one up. And this one here was £2, and you get 36 washes. Yeah, this is my ultimate favorite. I think this is, you know, the original one. So yeah, I picked up this, and you know, for £2 it's good. And like I said, you know, that's the last one of the stuff that I picked up from CHERRYZ. So yeah, it's an empty box now. So look, as you can see, CHERRYZ. But I'd like to just say thank you to CHERRYZ for the opportunity to do this collab again with you guys again. Remember, like I said to you before, I have the coupon code. If you use the, I think it's 25%, but it's gonna flash up on the screen. But also, yeah, you can find it in the description box as well, so you'll find it there as well. But remember to do that, that's on your first order, so I'm just letting you know, on your first order. But yeah, and it's really good as well, like I said, because one thing is it's delivered to your door, and we know it's the holidays for the children, so sometimes you can't be asked to even go out there, and it's a bit hustle and everybody's busy and all the rest of it, but the stuff comes directly to your door, which is a really good thing, because like I said, all those stuff are heavy. So can you imagine one person carrying them in your back, you have to carry them and all the rest of it. It's a lot. maybe on the bus or you know, and stuff like that. But like I said, it's all delivered to your house, which is really good. That's why I thought I'd show you guys about CHERRYZ again, because I really like them. And yeah, thanks again CHERRYZ, and remember to like, comment and subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you in the next video. You take care. Bye.